forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abby's Madness.
What's up, guys? You know, good girl there. Guys, yeah, good girl there. Do I make up? You know, since I'm not even attack a voice over this car, but they late. I'm been busy, guys. Pan the two channel so but Abby Madness, I come back, guys. I have to squeeze in a look of video for Abby's Madness. Yeah, watch good girl. Up, makeup up. I teeth my teeth them lash you know. Yeah, guys. So basically, we went to Grand Palladium with the family, and so but good girl said no, man, she have to squeeze in for Abby's Madness. That's why I'm there. So yes, Abby's Madness, Grand Palladium. We're going. Watch good girl. Yes, traveling. Yeah, guys. So basically, I'm gonna do some local clips for Abby's Madness personally. But if you want to see more vlog up on Abby and keep a JA1 over there, guys, cause vlog them I'm gonna post. Alright, watch ya. So people will just reach out the place, right? But you know we can't really video in there so because in there full and you know we don't want nobody, we don't want to show up nobody because we don't know if them illegal with nobody or not. So me I fear hide and so. Alright guys, so I'm just going on look of you. So basically upstairs we'll check in. Yeah. And then that are downstairs now with good things them there. Alright, this is the next day I think. Watch good girl, yes. My fool me remember why me there do yeah girl, pink out. My fat stay why my team stay good now. Tattoo. Get tattoo. Yeah, good girl have tattoo, yeah. So yeah. Yeah, people that are people man over this. So I'm could talk loud. That's why good girl for voice over. But me go brush my teeth, yeah. Brush it, yeah, girl, ugly, watch ugly, yeah, girl, broke up, yeah, girl, oh, go in the bathroom now, no, girl, no, in the bathroom, yeah, go right there, so, oh, the couch, watch ya, nice couch, I don't even couch a chair, yeah, girl, go and go brush your stink mouth, no, girl, go and go brush your stink mouth, what is, yeah, girl, what you do now, I don't know what me there laugh, I don't remember. Yeah, so these are the people them tub, the nice clean tub, and so bathroom, up. Yeah, Watch me. Oh my God, my friend, myself, Lord Jesus, that's just me. Yeah, alright, go again. Yeah, bathroom, toilet. Yeah, bedding. There's some bed, and so watch ya. Good shower. Yeah, watch me. Jesus Christ, I'm just take it up. Take it up now. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Again, yeah, guys, yeah. Good girl there, so I don't know if I can start, you know, what me do? Like, I'm stay body, I'm to stay good, Lord Jesus, yeah. Girl, stay very nasty. Watch idiot, watch girl. Why am I skin on my face like that? Twerk it, girl. Yeah, girl. Ugly face. Yeah, girl. Yeah, watch out, I'm shitting out, Lord Jesus, I have none about me. I have none about me, watch girl. Shitting. I want to fight me. But good girl, the pantalita shit, guys. Watch out. Who me attack to? Me not remember who me attack to. Watch out. Me I tell them I said the moment when the hotel on they can do anything I don't want. Legal or illegal, but you have to be careful with the illegal shit and so because you know we get in trouble. I serious something me attack people, serious something. So anyways, good girl I can brush her teeth right now, people. Good girl I can brush her teeth. Cause I don't miss me, you know. I don't miss me. So I'm saying alright then, I'm gonna chop out this madness in here. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I could talk when this because people did that. Yeah, so that's why a good girl come in here, so and good girl can talk now because she eat dirty people in week, so yeah. So I got my toothbrush here. And I got my toothpaste here. Now I didn't steal this. But guess what, people, guess what? Good girl take off the one of the things I'm off here, so. Condition gone, shampoo gone, lotion gone, body gel gone. I want some dirty people. Me I take my money's worth out of that guys. So look here. Be a makeup on people them things, but guess what? I didn't have a transfer from me yes, to my face right now. Anyways, I'm gonna jump in at the bathroom. I saw her drop it. Magic. No good girl, I could transfer the makeup on her face. Watch her. Magic. Yeah, guys, makeup final. Guys, I'm late. So you know what? We have to go meet my sister now in 3, 2. Yeah, guys, so whatever. Yeah. Alright, guys, so good girl, I go food now. I don't know, good girl, fair belly, so you know. So here we are going one place in Blue Lagoon. I'm still over Grand Palladium. I think I saw it name. So that's where I go now.
I shall eat the most.
My brother, I'll be back in work later before you throw it for full time.
So people, when a good girl just done eat and full of belly, watch belly. I know where I go back to the room. Cause good girl want to do, you know. Are they say yes, sir?
That'll be making it.
Yeah, guys, good girl want to shit. You know, good girl always do do. So I'm going to the pool over there, so you know. Yeah, so good girl I go try and do and bed. I'm going to the pool nice, see the pool is just nice and up. Watch pool. Guys, yeah, we have to go up on the cat now. Definitely lazy, and so I'm for the room there too far. I don't know if I just find one of them cats here. And up, yeah, gone, cat. Take it anywhere. Yeah, guys, yeah.
I say you come for a camp as far.
High level.
Lamp a lady,
Look for your
over here nice, I'm not telling that people, over here nice. I don't know. Guys, I'm going to go take picture. Right, let's sir. Yeah, we'll pick up more people. Oh, now about to come. So guys, good girl now about to check out here, right? Because yeah, say at 12:30 we check out and after 9 now, so good girl can just enjoy herself and I put down this so yeah. Good girl can't really show up much because I'm shaped like carrot. Yeah guys, so we're gonna go right at the polo so people my under here start to push up right. Yeah, good girl to push up while some of them. Watch ya, you know bad so keep on my kick at the phone, you know. Oh, tattoo. Alright, so people know so no good girl get a local drink, you know. Okay, you know, good girl for full verbal, you know. Keep on there over there, so I vlog for our couple channel. So if you're not subscribed to couple channel, go and go subscribe to Abby and Capo JA right now, guys. Yeah, you know, good girl independent, and so she should forget her own blood clad. I want to look vlog, so so sitting right here now, right here, and I'm gonna sit back and relax. Yeah, right there, so we drop it. Watch a tattoo everywhere. Yeah, people saw no good girl there now. Good girl, when I see certain people, I have to walk sideways like crab car. Look here, certain people. Sideways. And good girl can't take certain people sideways like crab. Yeah. Time close to check out, about 10 minutes to check out time. Then a good girl can't get me and overcharge me, no. Not at all. Check out. Alright guys, so we finally outside of the room. So just there I belong. People piss so I take me again. So people ask me, say people take me. So good girl for come piss. Lord Jesus. Through the time cold, you know, so good girl got to let it go. Yeah. You know, as a girl, you have to come in the mirror and go on with yourself. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, people, so remember say, you have to wash your good hand because you know so the virus are going on. So you have to make sure so you not sanitize and them somebody. Yeah, good hand. Wash your hands them nice and clean so. Yeah, roll. Go like this, likewise. Yeah. I wonder if nobody in here listen to me, Lord Jesus. But then I chat to myself. Yeah, I'm good at it. Yes, which material that out there? See what's something. Yeah, guys, so no good girl finally gonna left the people there clean place. Yes, them don't want good girl here no more. So good girl got to leave. Yes, guys, yes. Good girl gonna leave right now. Coronavirus! Shit is real!
Girl.
Yeah, yeah, this is the next good girl sister answer. But my so nice answer. Jesus! Yeah, people, so we're gonna eat now with that one. Where's your name again, Mon? Racos? Happy marriage. Guys, food that come after much years. God Jesus. Hey, watch them face like up. Food, yeah. I don't even know, I don't even know what kind of sauce.
What that name?
A cheese. You name lobster with cheese. People.
Most people now drive a junction.
I don't even know what name so.
You know junction?
You want me to stay? I know I'm young. So guys, with us done, I'm fine big Jesus guys. You never know what you're going to tell me. That's some fine big hole on there. Yeah guys, as I say, good girl just done full of belly. Watch belly. Yeah, every time I get laugh. Yeah. He's a fan of Abby's madness.
Yeah.
He's a fan of Abby and Capital.
I'm the real general. See?
Yeah. No, Baggy, you're so
Real star
nice.
girl.
Yeah. I saw. So people, I time not to go later. Oh God, come on,